In 1835, Charles Darwin set foot on the Galapagos Islands, remote, volcanic, and full of life found nowhere else on Earth. He noticed giant tortoises that looked different from island to island. He saw the world's only sea-going lizard, and realized its survival depended on unique adaptations. From these islands came the theory of evolution by natural selection, an idea that changed how we understand all life on Earth. I'm at Quito Airport now, on my way to Galapagos. Actually, there's quite a number of documents that we need to prepare. There's a control card, and then there's a declaration form that you need to do. And you also need to pay $200 upon arrival at the Galapagos Airport. I've landed in Galapagos Island. The first iguana at Galapagos. Greeting me at the airport is a colorful land iguana, which looked very different from its marine cousins, as I soon found out. We were taken to the bus for a ride to catch a ferry to the main island of Santa Cruz. My first adventure on the island was a walk through the lava tunnel.
There are not any animals inside, no dangerous species,
No bats, no snakes.
no snakes.
Okay.
So only a volcanic landscape.
Right.
2 million years ago, the lava flow flew through this area, in different times, not in the same time, so in
Right.
different times the lava came through, and this is how this place was formed. It was like a big flow at the beginning, and the top of the flow get hard faster and form a hard crust in the upper part of the flow. But internally, the lava is still warm and liquid, and then new flows of lava came down and pushed the liquid lava that was inside and formed the tunnels. These tunnels could be very long, like 10 or 15 kilometers, but there are collapses away, like this part collapsed, and we are going out through another collapse.
Sure.
But then underneath, the tunnels keep going.
Okay.
And only a few parts of the tunnel like this are open for visitors, with the stairs, the floor is flat, and the light.
Right.
But the rest of it, totally dark, closed, nobody can go.
Right.
in there.
Thank you. Next stop, the Giant Tortoises Sanctuary.
Good. They only see shades, they don't see colors, but they can hear. Also, they hear very well. We don't see the ears, but they have internal ears covered by the skin, and they can feel also by their legs all
The
movements and vibrations.
So besides just eating the grass, what else do they eat?
They eat the fruits. This is the guava fruit.
Right.
When the fruit falls from the tree, they can eat guava, grapefruit, passion fruit, poison apple, prickly pear cactus. So they eat a lot of fruits and very fresh and green leaves.
Do they eat insects?
No, they
No.
never eat insects. No. So they get the food and the water from the vegetation. Yeah, because there are not water sources in most of the island. Most of the liquids they get from the very fresh grass and leaves.
Can you guess how old this is?
To be like 150 years.
Right.
Probably.
And how heavy would that be?
That one could be like 230 kilograms, 240.
You can recognize which one is male and female?
Yes,
How can you tell?
by the size. Just the males can grow this big. Females stop to grow when they are half of the size or
Right.
a third part of this big, and also females have shorter tail. Now you see the tail there in the back? This is small down here. Now the males have a longer tail, like 3 times bigger.
Standing before a Galapagos giant tortoise, I felt like I was meeting a piece of living history. Its size, its calm movements, everything about it felt ancient, almost timeless. To think these creatures can live over 100 years, surviving long before me and long after I'm gone. I crawled into the real tortoise shell just to feel what it is like living your entire life, carrying your home with you wherever you go. I came out with a new respect for the resilience of these gentle giants. Join me for more adventures in my next video as I explore more of the Galapagos Islands.
Green land iguanas, which we consider the ancestor of the marine iguana.
Right.